Hi everyone, welcome back to Highlights at Home. This Thanksgiving is going to be a strange one for many of us, but some traditions hold fast, maybe just with a twist this year. We're still looking forward to seeing family and friends, whether they're gathered around our table or we're seeing them on screen. And we're very excited to take a break and eat tons of delicious food. But most importantly, we're taking the time to really appreciate what we have. To give thanks, which is the theme of this week's bundle of free resources. I'm Allison, an editor at Highlights, and Thanksgiving is the perfect time to teach your kids about gratitude. There are tons of ways you can teach them how to be grateful beyond just saying thank you. For example, you can discuss current events with your kids and help them to realize that there are people who are both more and less fortunate than they are. You can regularly ask them to list the things that make them happy and that they feel grateful for. You can encourage them to donate part of their allowance to charity. You could volunteer together when that's possible. And you can let them know the things that you're grateful for. They'll listen and they'll learn from your gratitude. So with this thankful bundle, you can play a turkey-themed hidden pictures puzzle. You can read a poem about a family who prefers pizza for Thanksgiving dinner. You can play Thanksgiving-themed games. You can make napkin holders and much more. But most importantly, you can make memories with your kids and give thanks for what you have. Happy Thanksgiving from all of us at Highlights. We are grateful for you, and we'll be back next week with more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.